Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 6. I am fine here, and it is expected that you may be safe and sound at your homes. Dear students, it's me, your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed, subject teacher computer at Beria Foundation College, Noshar Feroz, class 6, and we are going to deliver lecture number 4 from chapter number 1. The chapter is evolution of computers, and we are going to study some contributions of the computer scientists that took place in the past period of computer concepts. So here we are going to study about the contribution of a computer scientist that is known as the father of the modern digital computer. The name of this personality is Charles Babbage. So we are going to study about the contributions of the Charles Babbage in our chapter number 4. Charles Babbage is called the father of the modern digital computer. In the 19th century, he designed two machines called difference engine and analytical engine. Now we should keep in mind that what is the function of difference engine and analytical engine. We are going to describe or function of both devices one by one as follows. The analytical engine could be programmed. Users only had to give instructions to the machines the first time they programmed a calculation. Babbage used punch cards to give instructions to analytical engine, and he used sequence and arrangement of folds as a code of instructions. Lady Ada Lovelace wrote these instructions, so she is called the first programmer. Later on, the contribution of Charles Babbage, we are going to study about another computer scientist, that is Hermann Hollerith. In 1819, Hermann Hollerith developed a tabulating machine. He used a punch cards to give instructions to it and store data. The tabulating machine was used to sort and count census data. This introduced the concept of storage devices into the evolution of computers. So, dear students, we have studied about Hermann Hollerith and Charles Babbage in this lecture, and we have studied about some computer scientists as Abacus, Pascaline, Napier-Bones, and even in this lecture we have studied about two scientists, Charles Babbage and Hermann Hollerith. In the coming lecture, we will study about the evolution of computers In the evolution of computer, we will have to put the focus on the generations of the computers, and we will study about the generations of the computers in the coming lecture. And in this lecture that we have studied about some computer scientists. So some homework is given. Some homework is given you for solving the task of the said computer scientists. You will have to write down the differences starting from abacus to the Hermann Hollerith in computing devices. It means that you will have to write down the difference between the each devices starting from abacus to the Hermann, and you will have to send this homework on our WhatsApp group. Homework for you is that write down differences write down differences from abacus to Hermann Hollerith devices. You will have to write down the answer of this question, and you will have to send the answer of the said question on our WhatsApp group. And in coming lecture, we will study about the evolution of the computer. Now you will, if you feel some difficulty, you will easily find out the answer of this question from book page number 3 to book page number 5. This is the end of your lecture. This is the end of your lesson or the lecture. Be stay at your home. Be secure. Be safe. Take care of your health. Allah Hafiz.